Namaste students. I hope everyone is very fine in your home. In the previous class, we learned about various activities done by the farmers during the cultivation of croplands. We learned about preparation of soil, sowing the seeds, adding manure and fertilizers. Now, I am going to teach the next part of the lesson, crop production and management. Plants always absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Minerals always dissolved in the water then enter inside the root system. So for the absorption of minerals, water is very much important. And also for the germination of seed, water is essential. So without water, the seed is not able to germinate. That's why farmers supply the water to the croplands. So supplying water to the croplands is known as irrigation. Some plants need large amount of water. Some of the plants need less amount of water. During the summer season, plants need more water than winter season. So depending upon the type of season, depending upon the crop plant, farmers irrigate the field at a regular interval. Farmers supply the water to the crop plants from the well or canal or lake. In olden days, farmers use lot of traditional methods to draw the water from the well. Here you are able to see Dekli, chain pump method, rat method and also mode system. In all these systems, they draw the water with the help of the pulley. They use the manpower or animal power, but it is a time consuming method. But nowadays, we are using the modern methods of irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation are the modern methods of irrigation. In sprinkler irrigation, lot of perpendicular pipes are connected at the bottom with the main pipe. At the top of the perpendicular pipe, nozzle is present. The nozzle is able to rotate continuously. Through that nozzle, the water is sprinkled through the surface of the plants. This method is useful in the lawns as well as in the coffee plantation. The next one is here drip irrigation system. In drip irrigation system, many small pipes are connected nearly towards the root region of the plant. They have small holes. Through the hole, the water is coming out drop by drop. So the root region is able to get sufficient amount of water. This method is suitable in the area wherever water scarcity is there. Children, along with the crop plants, lot of unwanted plants are growing. So they take the nutrients. That's why farmers remove the unwanted plants. So the unwanted plants are known as weeds. Removing the unwanted plant is known as weeding. Here farmers are removing the weeds with the help of the manpower. This is called manual weeding. Apart from there, chemical weedicides also used. The chemical weedicides are little bit dangerous. So during the spraying of chemical weedicides, they have to close their nose and mouth carefully. After spraying the chemicals, they have to wash the hand properly. Otherwise, it is very dangerous. These chemical weedicides are the chemical substance. It is used to kill only the unwanted plants. It is used to kill only the weeds. It does not affect the growth of the crop plants. 2,4-D is one kind of chemical weedicide. It is used to kill the weeds. Weeds means unwanted plants. Children, can you say what are the modern methods of irrigation used nowadays? Can you say what is irrigation? What is a weed? Children, we will meet in the next class. Find out the answers. Thank you, children.